it's time for assignment question answer. My first question is, why was the Haldia seaport set up? Haldia seaport was set up to decongest the port of Kolkata as a subsidiary port because at that time there was too much load on Kolkata port. That's why Haldia port was established. What will be the answer? Haldia port was set up for which purpose? Set up to decongest the port of Kolkata as what? Subsidiary port. Subsidiary port means to decrease the load of Kolkata port. Haldia port was set up. Next question is, how does transport play an important role in economic development of a country? The movement of goods and services from supply location to the demand location is only possible through transportation system. Do you know, at the time of lockdown we are facing now COVID-19 and we are facing lockdown also in some containment areas. At that time all the buses, trains and other means of transportation system were stopped and there was a lot of loss to the economy of our country. Now slowly these means of transportation are unlocking by the government. And what is the economic importance to country for transportation system? I have told you the movement of goods and services from supply location to demand location is possible only through what? Only through transportation system. It allows distant and remote areas to be linked with urban and developed region so that they may interchange goods and services. Above all, transportation system can give immediate relief during war situation. If there is any natural calamity, floods are there, famines are there, then all the people, those who are trapped in these situations, can be easily accessed through the efficient means of transportation system. Third question is, what are the main features of Kandla port? First main feature is, it is a tidal port situated near sea. It is a tidal port. It was the first port developed soon after independence. It was the first port developed soon after independence of our country. Independence of our country. I am repeating once again. It is a tidal port. It was the first port developed soon after the independence of India. Third feature is what? It was developed to ease the volume of trade from Mumbai port after the loss of Karachi port to Pakistan after the partition of 1947. I am repeating my point. It was developed to ease the volume of trade from Mumbai port. It was developed to ease. It was developed to ease for what? To ease the volume of trade. To ease the volume of trade from Mumbai port. And after the loss of Karachi port to Pakistan, after the partition in 1947, this Kandla port was established to ease the volume of trade from Mumbai port. After that, it caters to the convenient handling of imports and export of granary and industrial belts spreading from states like Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan and Gujarat. It caters to the convenient handling of imports and export. Convenient handling of imports and exports. Convenient handling of import and exports of granary and industrial belt. Granary and industrial belt spreading from states like Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan and Gujarat. This pointer is a little tough, but I am repeating it once again. It caters to the convenient handling of imports and exports of granary and industrial belt spreading from the states like Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan and Gujarat, so that these states may get benefit from this port. Clear?